All right, so we have this assignment due Tuesday, March 24th at 8 o'clock. I know some of you guys are already done with it, but for every assignment that I give you, I'll always give you some example problems so you guys can look at it before doing the assignment. So did the example problems help you guys at all?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, and my tips? All right, so I'm gonna do 3 problems together for mass to mole, and then I'll do another 3 for the molecules to moles. All right, so when you are asked, let's do this. I will write in blue ink today. All right, so number 1, it says how many moles are there in 24 grams of FeF3? So that's iron fluoride. So first, we need to calculate the molar mass of iron fluoride. Did anyone do it and can give me the molar mass? No? All right, I have it over here. So I got 112.84 grams per mole. All right, so molar mass always has a unit of grams per mole. So here we're given grams. So we start with our given value. So when we're given grams and we want moles, do we multiply or divide? Anyone?
Divide.
We're gonna divide. So I'm gonna put the molar mass on the bottom and then mole on top because we want grams to cancel out. So this becomes a division problem. So I'm gonna plug it into my calculator. 24 divided by 112.84. I got 0.21 moles. All right. Does that look right?
Yep.
All right. Thanks, Vincent, for confirming. So let's go to, I'm going to skip number 2 because number 2 is also grams to moles. Let's do number 3 because now for number 3, you're given moles and we want to change it into grams, right? How many grams are there in 7.40 moles of silver nitrate? So the molar mass of silver nitrate, I got 169.87 grams per mole, right? So I'm gonna start with the given. All right, I have 7.4 moles and I want to get grams. We wanna convert it to grams. So are we multiplying or dividing?
Dividing.
Multiplying.
We're multiplying, right? I'm gonna put molar mass on top and mole on the bottom. And moles cancel out, so this becomes a multiplication problem. So I'm going to do 7.4 times 169.87, and I get this number, 1,257 grams. All right, does that look right? Jeffrey,
Yeah.
are you confirming for me?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. Thank you. All right, so let's do one more problem for mass to moles. All right, number 4. All right, so I wanted to go over molar mass calculation of this compound because I think some people are messing up the molar mass calculation. So when you're given a compound like aluminum hydroxide, that 3 outside the parentheses means that we have 3 oxygens and 3 hydrogens, right? So when we add the elements together, we need to do, what's the molar mass of aluminum, anyone? Is it 26 something? Who has it?
You said aluminum?
Yeah.
26.982.
26.98.
All right. Did I change the screen on you guys? Okay. So aluminum is 26.98.
Yes.
So we have 1 aluminum plus how many oxygens?
3.
3. And then we have how many hydrogens?
3 hydrogen.
3 hydrogens. So this is going to be the molar mass calculation, right? And I get about 78 grams per mole. Did you guys get that?
Yeah.
All right, so that's the molar mass of aluminum. I mean, aluminum hydroxide. All right, so let's go back to the problem. We're given 200 grams, so that's our starting point, and we want to get moles. So is this division or multiplication? Are we dividing or multiplying here?
Dividing?
Dividing. We want grams to be on the bottom and mole to be on top because we want grams to cancel out, right? So it's going to be 200 divided by 78, and we get 2.56 moles. All right, so this is the answer. Is this what everyone got?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. All right, so let's go now to the molecules to moles problem. All right. So now when we talk about molecules, you automatically have to think 6.02 times 10 to the 23. What is this number called? What's the name of this number? Anyone?
The Avogadro number?
Yes, Avogadro. Avogadro's number. All right, it's also known as the mole. Right, this is the mole number. So here we're given, I'm gonna do this, 1.2 times 10 to the 25 molecules. And we're solving for moles. So we're converting molecules to moles. So where do I put the Avogadro's number? On top of the fraction or bottom?
Bottom?
Because we need to now divide by the Avogadro's number. Mole. So molecules cancel out. So when we plug this into the calculator, make sure you put your number, your Avogadro's number in parentheses, because if you don't, it's gonna mess up the calculation. Has anyone made that mistake before? So I'm plugging it in right now. 23, and I get 19.9 moles. Did anyone else get that? Amber, are you doing this with us?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm looking.
Yeah.
Jeffrey, you got 19.9?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. All right, so when we go from molecules to moles, we divide. All right, I'm taking notes now. All right, so let's do one more. Now, number 8, you're given moles, right? And we want molecules. So we start with moles. 0.75 moles of zinc. So, and we want molecules. So are we going to divide or multiply?
Multiply.
We're gonna multiply. All right. So I'm gonna plug this into the calculator. So when we multiply, you don't necessarily have to put everything in parentheses. So I get 4.5 times 10 to the 23 molecules. All right, so when you plug it into the calculator, don't forget about the exponent, right? 10 times 23, you have to 10 to the 23 power. All right, so when you go from moles to molecules, we multiply. All right, so do you guys want me to do more problems or are we all set?